Hello, we have here an app that we built on Flutter, which is Toast Message app. So let's get started on how we are going to use the package. So first, we're going to go to code. We have these lines of codes on which we have the package name Flutter Toast. So what is Flutter Toast? So this is this package will be the responsible of making an alert back or toast message here in our application. How can we see this toast or this alert message or toast alert? So let's have an example. We just have to say hello, Flutter. So as you can see, we type this hello Flutter. Wait, we have the wrong spelling. Hello Flutter here, and upon clicking this show toast message, we are going to see the toast message here in our application. So let's see. So as you can see, it prompt on the bottom of the application. So we have the hello Flutter. So that's the example of toast message. So that is the use of our package on which it will use the text field to get this word. How can we how can we that? So as you can see, we have the hello Flutter message. To get this message, we have this Flutter message. So message here on which it is used by the text field. Also, we have the scaffold for the controller on which we have the text editing controller. For the show toast about this message here, we have the ladder toast, show toast, and toast length short. So we have the toast gravity bottom so that we use bottom to here. The toast message will prompt on the bottom. Use background color as black. Use whatever you want. We have the color text white. Font size 16.0. So you can manipulate those styles or decoration for you to have your own perspective in your app. So we have the label text, enter your message. So we have to, okay, they deleted the wrong. So we have this, uh, so upon we have the label text here is upon starting the app, you can see your enter your message. Also the button on which if we have no message, it will default to hello world. As you can see here, we type the hello world here, and that's it. That's the function of the package show toast. I flutter toast to the application. To use this flutter toast package, you need the version of 8.0.8 and add this line on your dependencies and save it and then run this command and it will download the packages you needed. And that's it. That's how you use the Flutter Toast package. Thank you. It's Flutter Toast package. That's it. Thank you.